Hello, good morning students. How are you all? This is your second video of the climate of India. So we are discussing about retreating monsoon. So the retreating monsoon, what is retreating monsoon? It is a west monsoon start retreating from North India in early October, and hence the month of the October and November are known as retreating monsoon. You can see here, this is a map of retreating monsoon where normal dates are here. These lines are normal dates of withdrawal of monsoon here, and these raises are winds here. So we are saying in 1 September the wind flowing here, and in the 15th September the wind flowing here, and in the Arabian Sea the wind are north and east winds are coming here from the land area to ocean area. So the reason of this retreat is the monsoon through the low pressure. Here low pressure over the Ganga plains become weaker and weaker due to the apparent movement of the sun southward, and the low pressure condition are transferred to the central Bay of Bengal. Now here the shift of the low pressure is marked by the cyclonic depression, and which originate over the Andaman Sea, and some of the cyclonic depression manage to cross the eastern coast of the southern peninsula, resulting in heavy and widespread rain on the coast of Tamil Nadu and parts of Odisha here. So the retreating monsoon are generally dry except on the coastal area of Tamil Nadu and Odisha and the part of Karnataka. The bulk of the rainfall of the Coromandel coast is derived from depressions and tropic and cyclone. Now here the tropical cyclone here. The tropical cyclone are depressions, low pressure originating in Bay of Bengal caused by local variations of heat and moisture. So they lead to tropical cyclone in November and December. And the Andaman Island between here 12 degree north to 17 degree north from the equator. Now the what is October heat is marked by clear cloudless sky, high temperature and high humidity as explained earlier. This sultry and oppressive weather is referred to as October heat here. And now the cold season, the last one, it is your cold season. The cold season, weather season commences at the end of November and continue till March. So the skies are relatively clear with dry weather and night temperature are low here. You can see here these are the mean temperature of the January, and this is a pressure and wind of the January here. Here 24 degrees Celsius of the temperature, and in the southern area and in the southern area in the winter season, and here 10 degrees Celsius or 15 degrees Celsius in northern areas of the India. And the pressure and wind are in the winter area, northern area contain 1018 MB pressure belt, and in the south area it contain 1014 MB belt here. Punjab and Haryana. So the temperature in winter area, we see here the Calicut 26 degrees Celsius and Jammu and Kashmir got 10 degrees Celsius here. And in the Punjab, Haryana, Rajasthan experience type of climate as they are located far away from the sea to experience its moderating influence. Now the pressures are the winter in the seasons is categorized by feeble high pressure condition over northwestern part of the plain because of the oblique ray of the sun which reaches the subcontinent as the sun moves to the southern hemisphere. Now the rainfall occurs. Which type of rainfall here? Most part of the India, you can see here they are the heavy portions of rainfall in the winter season. These area contain high rainfall just because of high pressure on the land and low pressure on the sea. So the winds are flowing from the land to the ocean area, and these area contains high rain, heavy precipitation and rainfall, and these areas are wind showing here, and this portion is occur here cyclonic zone. Central part of the India and northern part of the peninsular get occasional rainfall in the winter, and weak temperate cyclone from the Mediterranean Sea cause rainfall in Delhi, Haryana, Punjab and western Uttar Pradesh. So the amount of the rainfall is meager. It is quite beneficial for the rabi crops here. So the northeastern part of the India gets rainfall during the winter month, and Arunachal Pradesh and Assam get rainfall between 25 millimeter and 50 millimeter during winters. Now distribution of the rainfall here. So the pressure condition and the direction of the relief features. The direction of the whole bearing moisture, cyclonic depression determined by pressure gradient, and it contains the heavy rainfall region where experience more than 200 centimeter rainfall. That is includes area on the side windward of the Western Ghat like Western Coastal Plain and slope of the Western Ghat, and include Meghalaya Hills, Garo Khasi Jayantia, the southern slope, Assam, Arunachal Pradesh and West Bengal. Next is moderate, where they receiving 100 to 200 centimeter rainfall in the year. Parts are Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, and low rainfall regions are here. You can see here this is a low rainfall season here that contain here some parts of Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh and Tamil Nadu, and it varies from 50 to 100 centimeter regions in scars. Next is scanty rainfall region. These area gets the least rainfall, less than 50 centimeter annually, and it occurs here the Rajasthan, some parts of Kashmir, southern Punjab, western Rajasthan, Deccan Plateaus, western Ghat line, Deccan Plateaus here. Now what are the features of the rainfall? So the main features are here. There is rainfall over 3 months, and the rest of the year is mostly dry. 70% of annual rainfall occur in the rainy season, and the rains are mainly of relief type. The windward slope of the mountains get more rainfall than the leeward side. Only small portion of the rainfall is received from sources other than the monsoon, and the quantity and the time of occurrence of rainfall can't be predicted as the rainfall is erratic, and it is because of this uncertainty that sometimes there are floods and sometimes drought, and India has an agrarian economy department of rainfall. As such, rainfall affect the economy of the country. Now this chapter is finished. Now you can learn it and solve all the question and answers from this chapter. Thank you so much.